What if learning never stopped after school and became your secret power? Imagine growing smarter, more confident, and adaptable, opening new opportunities every year. That is what being a lifelong learner means. If you're ready to start your journey, subscribe now for more videos that will help you grow. Today, we will discuss how to become a lifelong learner, even if learning feels hard or overwhelming. The good news: you do not need to be perfect. Lifelong learning helps you adapt, grow, and find fulfillment. You just need simple habits you can stick with. Step 1. Build your personal learning space. First, know what you want to learn. Learning is hard when everything is scattered. Creating a personal learning space helps keep you organized. A learning space is just a collection of learning tools, apps, podcasts, audiobooks, videos, or books. Keep everything in one place so it's easy to start learning. For example, to learn a new language, download an app and save a podcast about that culture. To learn about personal growth, save motivational videos and a self-help book. You can keep your learning space on your phone, tablet, or even a notebook. When everything is in one spot, you do not waste time wondering what to learn. You simply open your learning space and begin. Step 2. Make learning a daily habit. Lifelong learners do not learn occasionally, they learn a little daily. This does not mean hours of study. Even 5 or 10 minutes builds the habit. Pick a time each day that works for you, morning, lunch, or before bed. Set a reminder. When it goes off, open your learning space and learn something small. The goal is not to learn everything at once, but to show up daily. Small, steady steps bring growth over time. If motivation is hard, reward yourself. For example, after 5 days of straight learning, treat yourself. This helps connect learning to positive feelings. Step 3. Stay curious by trying new experiences. Sometimes learning feels boring because of routine. Lifelong learners make learning exciting by trying new things often. Trying new things opens your mind. You might find interests you never expected. Try new foods, visit places, read about cultures, or learn new skills online. You do not have to do anything big. Even small changes count. Watch a video on a new topic, talk to someone different, or try an unfamiliar activity. When you try new things, learning is fun, not forced. Curiosity grows when your mind gets new experiences. Step 4. Learn with your hands, not just your head. Learning is not just reading or listening. Some of the best learning happens by using your hands. That is why hobbies are powerful. A hobby is something you enjoy regularly. Cooking, gardening, painting, writing, dancing, or playing music. Hobbies teach patience, problem solving, and creativity. When you practice a hobby, you learn naturally. Mistakes and retrying build confidence and keep your mind active. Hobbies also help you meet people who enjoy learning too. Being around curious people makes lifelong learning easier and more fun. Step 5. Keep learning simple and enjoyable. People often stop learning because it feels hard or stressful. Lifelong learning should feel supportive and enjoyable. Pick topics you care about. Learn at your own pace. Take breaks as needed. If you miss a day, just come back. Learning is not a race, it's a journey for life. Focus on growth, not perfection. Why lifelong learning matters. Lifelong learning helps you adapt to change. This ongoing growth boosts confidence, helps you solve problems, and makes it easier to pick up new skills for career or personal use. It keeps your mind sharp as you navigate an ever-evolving world. Learning also boosts self-esteem. Each new skill reminds you of your ability to grow at any age and can make you feel more connected and capable in your community or workplace. This greater confidence can support relationships and open new possibilities. Most importantly, lifelong learning helps create a meaningful life. You keep growing, improving, and discovering new parts of yourself. Final thoughts. Become a learner for life. Becoming a lifelong learner is about curiosity, not just being smart. With a learning space, daily habits, new experiences, and hobbies, learning becomes part of you. Start small. Be consistent. Be patient. Over time, learning feels natural, enjoyable, and empowering. Subscribe now to join our community of lifelong learners. Start growing with practical ideas and support. Take your next step toward your best self today.